Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've been using iOS sideloading for some time, then you probably know that KSign was one of the most popular tools for installing IPA files directly on iPhones and iPads. Unfortunately, it stopped working due to certificate revoke. But the good news is that KSign is now back with brand new certificates, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to install the latest version on your iOS device. First, head over to the KSign website. I'll place the website link in the description below. Once you're there, scroll down until you see several download options. Tap on the first button, labeled K New DNS, and download the updated DNS profile. This DNS profile helps reduce the chances of certificate revocations. After the download is complete, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on Profile, download it, and install the DNS profile. Once the DNS profile has been successfully installed, return to the KSign website. Scroll down and tap on the KSign New Link button. This will redirect you to the installation page. Now scroll down to the KSign section. You'll find KSign Aramco Services marked with a green check. Tap the Install button next to it. Select Open. Then tap Install when the installation prompt appears. KSign will begin installing on your device. After KSign is installed, do not open the app yet. Instead, go back to Settings, then navigate to General VPN and Device Management. Under Enterprise app, locate Aramco Services. Tap on it, select Trust, and confirm by tapping Allow Restart your device and complete any profile installation. Prompts that appear during the process. Once your device turns back on, you can launch KSign successfully. One of the advantages of this version is that you don't need to manually import an enterprise certificate because the certificate is already built into the application. That's all for this tutorial. You now have the latest KSign installed and ready to use on your iPhone or iPad. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials.